Sorry guys, we're back here. I've new crankshaft sensor fitted. So moment of truth. See, will she start? There we go. Problem solved. Yeah, it's a Bosch genuine crankshaft sensor that was fitted, supplied by your car parts here in the Midlands in Ireland. Came in at €40 all in, which is good value. Yeah, it's up and running. That's what I was called out for, was to get it up and running. It is running lumpy, but maybe we'll look into that at a later date. Just thanks for watching, and I hope you support the channel. It's mainly Vauxhall and Opel I work on. Yeah, that's it. Hope to see you soon. Cheers guys.